Hey guys! In this video, we'll be making a special delicious summer treat using Chikoos. I'll be using these super sweet and ripe Chikoos here. They're so sweet and delicious, and right now my house is filled with the sweet Chiku aroma. To begin, take 12 fully ripe Chikoos, clean, peel and de-seed them. Blend these to make a smooth pulp and set aside. Next, in a large mixing bowl, add in 250 grams of fresh cream. To this, add 1.5 cups of full fat milk, half a cup of milk powder, and 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. Mix all the ingredients well until there are no lumps. Now add in the Chiku pulp. Taste the Chiku milk and adjust the sweetness. And mix well again. Transfer to a blender. And churn for about a minute until all the ingredients are incorporated and you get a creamy and uniform mixture. Pour this creamy mixture into a freezer-safe box and repeat the same for the rest of the mixture. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell for more such recipes. Cover this and freeze for about 3 to 4 hours until the mixture is in a soft serve consistency. At this stage, churn the mixture again for a couple of minutes and transfer back into the container. This is done to ensure crystals don't form in the ice cream. Once all the mixture is churned the second time, tap the box lightly to remove any air bubbles inside and smoothen the surface. If your container is not an airtight one, cover with cling film. But if you are using an airtight container, you can skip this step. Close the lid and refreeze for 12 to 15 hours at the coldest setting available on your freezer. Serve this homemade Chiku ice cream with a few pieces of Chiku or with chocolate sauce and some rainbow sprinkles. Do try out this recipe and comment your thoughts below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon for more such recipes. See you in the next one.